Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Ms. English Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Mary.
Hi, Mary. I'm Marcus.
Hey, Marcus, how's your day? It's so cold today. Brr.
Yeah, Mary, I'm freezing. Like winter won't end. Like Groundhog Day.
Perfect. Let's talk about that. In today's episode, we'll teach you about Groundhog's Day. It's a fun American tradition to predict winter or spring. You will learn step by step. What is Groundhog's Day and the groundhog? Key words like shadow and predict, phrases to talk about weather predictions, listen and repeat easy sentences, feel confident speaking about seasons and fun holidays.
Awesome. It's super easy for beginners.
Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to Ms. English Podcast, and share with friends. Hit that bell too. Okay, friends, today is February 2nd. It's Groundhog's Day in America. Well, it's a silly but fun holiday. Marcus, what's a groundhog?
Good question, Mary. A groundhog is a cute animal. It's like a big squirrel. Brown fur, lives in holes in the ground. Actually, the most famous one is Punxsutawney Phil. He's from Pennsylvania. Every year on February 2nd, people wake him up. Poor Phil.
Yeah, they pull him from his hole. Then they watch. If he sees his shadow, 6 more weeks of winter. Brr. But climate change makes it tricky now. Weather's weird everywhere.
Right. Let's learn keywords. Repeat after me, everyone. Slow and easy. Groundhog. Groundhog. Your turn. Groundhog. Good job.
Next, shadow. Shadow. Like the dark shape when the sun shines. Phil sees his shadow. Repeat. Phil sees his shadow. Repeat twice slowly. You can do it. It's easy.
And predict. Predict. To guess the future. The groundhog predicts winter. Say it. The groundhog predicts winter. Repeat twice. Awesome.
Now, seasons words. Winter, cold, snow. Spring, flowers, warm. Repeat, winter is cold. Winter is cold. Spring is warm. Spring is warm. Repeat together 3 times with energy. Great.
Let's link words. An apple. A groundhog. His shadow. Say fast. Punxsutawney Phil sees his shadow. Practice twice. You got it.
Fun fact, this comes from old European stories, candles for winter days. Now it's Phil. But with climate change, predictions are funny. Sometimes warm, sometimes snow. You know?
Yeah. Now let's practice phrases. Number 1. I predict 6 more weeks of winter. Repeat after Mary.
I predict 6 more weeks of winter. Slow. I predict 6 more weeks of winter. Repeat twice.
Number 2. No shadow means early spring. No shadow means early spring. Repeat twice. Perfect.
Number 3. What does the groundhog see? What does the groundhog see? Repeat 3 times. Stress see.
Great question. Now, role play time. Fun part. I'm the news reporter. Mary's the groundhog expert. Ready? Action. Hello, it's Groundhog Day. Mary, tell us about Phil.
Hi, Punxsutawney Phil is out. The sun is shining. Oh no, he sees a shadow.
His shadow? What does that predict?
6 more weeks of winter. Brr. Cold days ahead. But if no shadow, spring comes soon. Flowers and sun.
Wow, thanks, Mary. Everyone, repeat our lines. He sees his shadow. All repeat 3 times together. 6 more weeks of winter. Repeat 3 times.
You sound like real reporters. You can do it.
Now, more practice. Talk about your weather. Today is cold. Repeat. Today is cold. I predict rain tomorrow. I predict rain tomorrow. Repeat each twice. Switch with a friend.
Actually, let's add humor. Imagine you're Phil. No, I don't want to see my shadow. Say it. I don't want to see my shadow. Repeat 3 times. Laugh. So silly.
Perfect. Now review weather phrases. It's freezing. It's freezing. Repeat. Spring is coming. Spring is coming. Repeat. Link. It's freezing outside. Practice.
Friends, you're doing amazing. These words help you chat about holidays, weather. Easy, right? Let's do one more role play. Switch. I'm the friend calling you. Marcus answers. Hey, Marcus, did you see Groundhog's Day? What did Phil predict?
Hi, Mary. Yeah, he saw his shadow. 6 more weeks of winter.
Oh no, I want spring. No shadow next time.
Me too. Predict warm days. Bye.
Yay! Repeat the dialogue. Pause the video. Practice 3 times. Did you see Groundhog's Day? Repeat key lines twice. You're pros now.
One more tip. Stress keywords. Predict. Shadow. Winter. Say loud. Group repeat.
Climate change bonus. Weather is changing. Weather is changing. Repeat. Now you talk about news too.
Wow, that was fun. You learned so much. Review. So, remember.
Groundhog's Day is February 2nd. Phil sees his shadow means more winter. No shadow means early spring. I predict 6 more weeks. Practice. What does the groundhog see? Practice at home. Say them daily.
My favorite season is spring. Flowers everywhere. Mary's?
Winter, snow, and hot chocolate. What's your favorite season? Tell us. Thank you for listening. Comment below. Did Phil see his shadow this year? Predict your weather.
Subscribe, like, share with friends who love English.
Bye for now. Keep practicing. You rock.
See you next time.